We're now walking down Crane Street toward the Guinness storehouse. We're gonna do a tour this morning. Just had some quick walking breakfast and a nice walk through the city. It's about, I think, probably 65 degrees or so, maybe a little cooler actually.
These are produced by some yeast and hop extract during fermentation. They give the body and strength to the beer. A lot of people would say it's like caramel. Over by the doorway we have our hops. So you see them at the beginning of your tour downstairs. And Guinness has a very high hop content, and it's the bittersweet flavour you get when you're drinking Guinness.
Just poured our first pints of Guinness. It's a little crazy in here. Took a quick break for lunch at an Indian restaurant, and then we went over to the Brazen Head for a beer each. Now we're heading back, I think, toward our hotel. Might check out a few other shops on our way.
Later that night.
Some men like the fishing, some men like the foreign. Some men like to play games of football and the world. Really, I like sleeping, especially in the chamber. Here I am in prison, here I am with a ball and chain. Yeah, we're sure-ing da-ba-doo-da-ba-da. Why for my daddy-o, why for my daddy-o's whiskey in the jar. We're sure-ing da-ba-doo-da-ba-da. Why for my daddy-o, why for my daddy-o. In the jar. Whiskey in the jar, a bit of Johnny Cash.